Hello from Habarigari nearbusiness.com website. Here is a fire extinguisher for your motor vehicle, for your car, and the cost ni 500 shillings, 500 Kenya shillings. You need one for your vehicle. When you have an old one, sometimes you look at the expiry date and you have to change. For example, if you look at this one, the expiry date says 2022. So when you need to replace one, you can get this size of fire extinguisher for 500 shillings. So unaweza renew, you can renew one for your vehicle, and for example this one, the expiry date is that 2030. So hii ni kitu unahitaji, ni muhimu sana. You need this for your car. Kukiwa na issue ya moto, whatever it is that may start the problem, if you have a fire extinguisher in the car, inaweza solve a lot of problems. It can help you save your car from getting burnt, and help you avoid a lot of expenses. So ni kitu muhimu utafute for your car. Uangalie kama expiry date imepita, you buy a new one. Kama una, buy a new one, and it's just 500 shillings. So this size 500 bob. Yeah, so get one for yourself, get one for your car. The end.